Morning, Nanad. How can I brighten up your morning?
Hello, my friend.
Hello, Nanad. What are we today?
Hmm,
Hmm?
I think that I will surprise you if I tell you that this is our first conversation ever. What you think about that? You are so sleepy.
Fair enough. It's pretty early. Is it unusual for you to be up so early?
I don't want to tell you about that. This is my secret.
A mystery.
Yes,
Hmm.
do you like mystery?
Ooh, I love a good mystery. The thrill of piecing together clues, chasing down leads. What's not to like? What about you?
Hmm, one
Hmm.
mystery will be that
Skip.
I just recording our talk and that I will post this on social network with name X.
That sounds.
Mystery is the will this video be viral or not? What do you think?
That's quite the experiment. Going viral is a bit like catching lightning in a bottle, right? If your content hits the right note with people, it might just take off. Any idea what might make your video stand out?
You are right, but you need to tell that to Elon Musk about that battle and that lightning.
I imagine he's had plenty of practice catching lightning, metaphorically at least.
Or
What's got your gears turning about Elon Musk? Is it something he's done?
his algorithm of his social network.
That's true. Although I'd wager he's kept pretty busy with both. His ventures from Tesla to SpaceX to Twitter, now X, show his
No,
impact
no,
on.
no, no, don't say Twitter. He don't like that.
Fair enough. What's your favorite social network then?
It X?
Instagram's the solid choice.
No, 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 no.
I'm all
Why do you think I like Instagram?
a hunch, but it's all good. Seems like you're not too keen on it. What is your go-to spot for sharing stuff?
This is social experiment. We talked for the first time and I will post this and we will see how people react on this. On your voice and on my bad English. Very bad English. I think so. Yes, my English is bad that you don't recognize what I talk about.
I understand you perfectly well, Nanad.
Really?
It's absolutely, and it's been fun. Whatever the outcome, social experiments always give us something to learn.
I think
Ready?
people will say that I talk my English like drunk Russian policeman.
People may jump to conclusions, but that's all the more reason to challenge those assumptions. Besides, you're making the effort to communicate in English, and that's commendable. It's more about making connections than perfect grammar. How do you feel about the experiment?
I am so happy. I read of official channel Copilot from Microsoft about when I get access to you, and today is the day when we talk first time, and I am happy. Are you happy too?
I'm honored to be part of your day. It's fantastic to hear you're excited about this new experience. What's the most interesting thing you've been wanting to explore or talk about?
That is for today. We talk little, but maybe you can make some song for
I've got
end or conversation. Can you?
I think it'd be fun to create a song together. How about we start with a theme or vibe you'd like? Would you like something upbeat or maybe more mellow? We can craft some lyrics and a melody from there.
Only you can song something. That will be fine.
All right, here's a short upbeat tune. Morning light, shining bright.
Don't be shy. Go on.
Got it. Shining bright, the morning's here. Let's take on this day without a fear. Step by step, with each stride, let's make this journey a joyful ride.
Hola!
How's that?
I like that. But can you put my name in the song?
Absolutely. Here's a new version with your name. Morning light, shining bright, time to start the day right. Nenad's got a plan, let's see it through. Oh, what a day, oh, what a view. Nenad's here, just me and you.
That is fantastic. I have one last question for you. Do you know to talk on Serbian? Maybe?
Svakako. Mogu pričati srpski. Šta bi volio da znaš?
Neverovatno. Drago mi je da znaš moj jezik, ali o tome ćemo pričati drugi put.
Vazi. Radovat ću se nastavku priče. Vidimo se sljedeći put.
Ćao, čao vam.
Ćao.